Yeah, so steel is similar to vinyl, but definitely an upgrade. And so the biggest pro to steel is it's gonna be more durable than vinyl siding. So it's gonna be much better at impact resistance. Some steels, depending on thickness, can have a Class A fire rating. It's durable, you know, but it's got most of the same downside. And so it's highly limited in color, style, and texture. So you're basically getting lap siding in a very small number of colors. You can never paint it. So again, most people want to change the color of the home every 10 years. Once you pick steel, like that's the color forever. You know, you do see quite a bit in like Fargo and Minnesota and Wisconsin where it's very cold. You don't see a lot kind of in Kansas City because a big drawback is what they call kind of like oil canning. So when it's really hot in the summer, the sun hits it, it's almost like it pops. It gets almost like you take your fingers, like you press on it like an indentation. It does that all throughout the summer, and it kind of hurts the look because then it's not smooth anymore. You have a small indentation like when you have a dent, and you get these loud popping sounds. So like, it's not great in climates that are very warm. And listen, right now it's the middle of September and it's 98 degrees here. So, and it's unfortunately probably getting hotter kind of by the year. And the other thing is steel, while vinyl is very cheap, steel costs generally as much or more than hardy or wood composite or something else. And so limited aesthetics, limited products, limited colors. It is a little more durable, but for the price you're paying, there's way better options for you to go with.